Okay, we're going to use this plain old Java object to load our data. So let's do that. I'll go to the Excel reader, and right now it's actually just a string, and you don't want to deal with strings because strings are hard to calculate. I'll put this geometric shape here, geo. I'll say new geometric to control space. Geometric shape, there it goes. And it gives me a couple of values here. So I'm going to say here, let's get one for index. I'll do one for shape name, do one for values. Okay, so this is just complaining because we haven't initialized them. So this one I wanted to go after position 0 because I truly want the row, the unique row index. So I'm going to say here, I'm going after position 0. The shape name, we know it came from this one. Let me see now, the shape name was, actually the shape name is this one. Why is this complaining? Because this is actually a numeric value, so I should put numeric there. Sorry, that doesn't belong there. This should be 0. And here we're going to do a new array list. This is really not needed, so I'm going to just take it away because I think it's a bit verbose. So we're going to take that away. So we're getting the data and we're putting it into these variables that I'm going to need. I'm going to delete this information here. Don't need this anymore. I'm going to say here print out GE. And now let's populate the values, and that's going to be here, values. I'm going to say put value 1. Oh, sorry, it might be add. I'll copy this a couple of times. Make sure you change this to value 2 and value 3. This is complaining because I'm no longer using this variable, so if yours is yellow, I will delete that. And now when we run this, the difference now with this is now you're going to be using a geometric shape. This is not a string. This is not going to be in an object. And the reason you want to do an object is because this object now, I can get and set values. I can get data and calculate against them. So this has a little bit more structure. So if I run this now, oh, this is complaining. Oh, same reason, because I have the Excel file up. Well, let's save it. Let's run it. Now we have it in our geometric shape. This contains the value that we have access to it. And now it's in this object. There goes the index, there goes the shape name, and these are the 3 values associated with the data. So now we have the data loaded into a Java model, which is cool. Okay. All right. So in the next video, we'll continue accessing data and keep playing around.